Shalom, shalom, assalamu alaikum to the family. This is the elder coming to you. This is the elder coming to you with a very important video. Peace, blessings, and love to all the melanated family. All praises to our creators and our ancestors. But family, they got a fuel shortage, diesel fuel shortage, and that's going to affect a lot of things in America because a lot of things are shipped with trucks, 18-wheelers, and they can't, if they can't deliver because of the high, fuel costs and shortages on diesel, it's going to back up everything. That's right, family. So there will be a lot of food shortages. There going to be food riots. That's why I keep making these videos telling my people to prepare. It's going to get worse before it ever get better in Babylon, in America. And once the trucks stop running, the supermarkets and other places going to get their products. But it's all planned. It's all organized. That's right. So it's time to really stock up. It's really time to start buying some gardening equipment because they got ways you can grow food outside and inside. You got the right, equipment. That's right. And it's definitely going to be a food shortage. It's going to be if the grids go down, then you're going to have a lot of natural disasters that's going to come through: hurricanes, tornadoes, this, that, and the other. The farmers selling their land to the government, and Bill Gates buying it all up. This, that, and the other, because it's an agenda that they are trying to do. They claim they found some cows dead, 3,000 in Kansas. I don't know about that, Never could tell what that is. But prepare, family, because if the trucks stop running, there's going to be food riots everywhere. That's right. So prepare, because this ain't no joke. A lot of people just lollygagging and messing around and thinking what I'm saying ain't going to happen. Gas is almost $6 a gallon. What'd that tell you? Food skyrocketing. And just imagine if you can't get no food because of, the trucks can't get no diesel, it's so high. A lot of companies might even go out of business because they say it costs $1,200 to fill an 18-wheeler up. That's a lot of money there. So y'all let me know how y'all feel about it. Please prepare, because just like I said earlier in this video, it will get worse before it gets better. This is the fall of Babylon, and I'm out.